Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hiding photos in Android is nothing new, but how do you hide any private photos from your iPhone? Go to Photos. Choose any photo to hide, for example this one. Now click on this icon. You will get these options in grey color. Click on Hide. That's it. The photo is removed from your gallery and moments. If you want to bring it back, scroll down all your albums. You will see an option in Other Albums, Hidden. You can see one photo there. Click on Hidden. Now this is the picture you have hidden. Now click Select and click on this button. You will get an option of Unhide in the grey color. Click on that and that's it. Your photo is back in the main library. Here it is. Wasn't it cool? Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.